Today I'm going to be unboxing my latest purchase from Amazon. This is the Nixon Regulus Expedition watch. As with all my purchases, I bought this item with my own money. I like doing these unboxing videos in case there's somebody else out there thinking about buying the same item and they want to get an idea of what does it look like when it comes in, what's the quality like, etc. So I'm a little disappointed. To me, it's a rather expensive watch. They sent it in a paper envelope, which I thought was a little odd. You think they'd put it in a box or something. So it is taped. Get the tape off. And then we should be able to just slide the watch out, hopefully. Looks like just a card from Nixon. Got this unfolding box. It's not magnetic or anything, just cardboard. This is my first purchase of a Nixon watch. This is not a smartwatch, doesn't connect to a phone, doesn't have a rechargeable battery or anything like that. It runs on a CR2430 battery. The instruction manual is written in a couple different languages. A little cardboard sleeve. And then the watch itself. It is a 47.5 millimeter watch. It comes in a couple different colors. I went with the navy blue. Feels pretty good. It's got gray on the inside. It's kind of like a Dallas cowboy color. I'm not sure if you're going to be able to see it. Kind of a dark blue and then gray. Hopefully you're going to be able to see the case back. It says, "Wake me up, press and hold any button for 5 seconds, and that will wake up the watch." I'm just doing an unboxing here. If I get some videos, once I figure out how to work the watch, maybe I will link those to this video in case you're wanting to see some of the functions of the watch. That is a quick unboxing. I hope it helps.